Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. And this time, as you can see, it's for DiRT 5 on the Xbox Series X. So, yeah, I got this yesterday. It's currently Boxing Day here in the UK. So yeah, I got this yesterday for Christmas. Really looking forward to playing it. So, I'm pretty sure there's a Ford Fiesta on the front. So yeah, there's the side. And there's the back. Let loose. Racing amplified. Build your own playground, thrilling multiplayer, and then all those disciplines, and it's all that there as well. So yeah, inside we have the safety instructions and the disc, and not much else, I'm afraid. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of DiRT 5 on the Xbox Series X, guys. If you know this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. For now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers, bye.